Hey guys, welcome.
Hey guys, welcome to the meet and greet. We've got the Rolling Snitty truck down here.
We're raising some funds for the farmers for the drought relief, so hopefully we can eat it as much as we can, because everything that is spent at this truck will be matched by our sponsor Easy Tens, and all the funds will go to the farmers. Hopefully we can help out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think that's a good thought of Mark come on board. Easy Tens.
Yeah.
So thanks to Mark as well from me. Let's go and meet some people
and check out some trucks.
Yeah, I reckon we should check out the trucks for sure. Alright. Ciao guys.
A lot of 4Bs tonight.
Huh?
A lot of 4Bs tonight.
Yeah. Good turnout.
Mate, patrols.
I don't know who's winning.
Land Cruisers. There's a Ranger there. Man, look at all this.
The
Toyotas here.
Leslie and Holden.
Jeep. Look at that blue Jeep.
That's nice, Jeep.
Yeah. Awesome stuff.
Pretty cool.
Welcome, Mark. Welcome. We want to thank you for coming and allowing Easy Tens to be the sponsor of this event.
Yeah, that's snitch. That's what I'm here for.
I can see.
Check this one out. This one's my second one.
Look at that. What are we eating here?
Chicken schnitzel.
Dudes.
With some gravy. So we smash a schnitty and we help the farmers at the same time.
Eat up, boys. Eat up. Get some more.
Bex here as well. How you going, Bex?
Should all be down here having a food.
Yeah, help the farmers.
What's on the menu? Alright.
You look at the camera, have a look.
Yeah, just having a look. You guys ordering?
Yeah, lining up the order.
Hey guys, welcome.
Hey, you're back again. Stop following me.
Yeah, why are you going into every group?
I don't know.
Snooping around?
Yeah, you know, just checking out what everyone's eating. Not bad.
Good stuff. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Farmers will love it.
Yeah, farmers will love it.
Girls, how you going?
Fantastic, how you going?
Yeah, good. Thanks for coming, eh?
Yeah, thanks for inviting us.
Man, those jumpers, purple ones, they punch. They really punch. Oh, the black ones are good too. I'm wearing black, but those purple ones are like, whoa.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Welcome, Paul.
Thank you.
And family.
Fantastic turnout for everyone.
Yeah, thanks for the support. Hopefully farmers will be happy with a little bit of what we can do.
It helps.
Anything.
Even it helps their emotions.
Yeah.
See the support.
Thank you very much. Hey guys, sitting there at the back of the ute.
Yep, yeah, mate.
Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Welcome. Thanks for coming, guys. So what, we do some special dancing?
I'm just trying to hide my bracelet.
No worries, no worries. Thanks for coming, guys.
No worries.
Look at all the kids playing. Aussie Four Wheelers channel. Yeah.
I haven't even seen it in
I don't have a box, but probably.
Is it picking it up? Like
Hey. No, all good. I can. It's good. It's good. I'll go out a bit, so it's very good. It'll come out. Luke's Beast. The Wild 42. Hey guys. Thanks for coming. How you going? Hey Jeff, how you going, mate? Long time no see. Hopefully you recover soon.
I'll be back out there, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Breaking shit.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for having me.
Who do we have here?
How you doing, mate?
Good, mate. How are you?
Dad.
What's happening?
Chat.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, guys. Hopefully. Hey guys, how we doing?
Hey!
Thanks for coming.
No worries, bro. Thanks for having us.
I like your hat. Farmers will love it.
Cowboy, this one.
Good stuff. Hey mate, how you going? Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Love your work. Watch your videos.
Yeah, thanks.
Do good stuff.
Thank you. Welcome. Hey guys, how you going? Hi. Welcome.
Thank you.
The two patrol owners, two white patrol owners.
And they've both got scoops. And we bumped next
Yeah.
to each other.
Yeah. Didn't you see the bonnet scoop? Yeah, same with mine, bonnet scoop. Just a shitty 3-litre. Yeah, that's it. No talk. Thanks for coming, guys. Mad. Some people are leaving already. Look at that highlight. Thanks for coming, mate. See you on the tracks. Yeah, see you at the next trip. Let's do some crawling. See ya. Thank you for coming, mate.
Thanks for having us.
And supporting the farmers, you and your family, and the kids are there too. Hey!
Yeah, but
Bye and bye. Alright, good night. Thank you very much for coming.
thank you very much.
See ya.
See you later, good.
We agree. Hey Mitch. Good mate, how are you? Thanks for coming, mate. Even though you've got the most important trip of this year in your life tomorrow, and you still managed to come around. Thank you very much. Fraser, here we come, eh? Thanks, mate. See ya. See you guys. See ya. Bye. Here is mine and Jason's
Schnitty and chips. Oh, 2 tinnies. Fan of pants.
Here is mine and Jason's tucker. Whoa, that looks awesome.
That's massive.
Man. But look at that vanilla Coke, mate. Hey Anthony, how you going, mate?
Good, how are you?
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. So which one's yours?
My pride and joy of the
Let's see. Oh yeah, I see it.
My big sunny's like a glow from the shyness.
Yeah, it's shiny. Nice. Nice. Patrol. Beautiful rig.
It's got 140,000 Ks.
Yeah, pretty good. See you, mate. Hey, Rod. How you going, mate?
How you doing?
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, cheers. Appreciate it, mate. Thank you very much for putting it on.
No worries.
Hopefully we get all my people to raise some money, eh?
Yeah, mate. Farmers will love it. Nice Jeep there you got in the background.
Thanks, mate.
Beautiful rig.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, thanks, mate.
All right, you take care.
You too.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Hey, Sue, you going?
Yeah, mate. Listen out of the cold.
No worries, thanks, mate. Nice patrol. Look at that. Listen to that sound. See you, mate. Oh man, that's sharp. See ya. Woo! Alright guys, here we are at the end of the night. Everyone's almost gone, but we've collected some small change, but amongst the bigger change here we have the guys from the rolling truck.
We're going to make a donation to mine of $700 to the farmers.
Thank you very much. And we also have Mark from Easy Tents, who's said he will match this, so
We're going to do the same thing.
we will contact by bail, and whatever we've collected tonight, we will contribute that from Aussie four-wheelers, and together with our future planned fundraiser out on the tracks, off-road, we're planning one in Lithgow, and we're going to combine this all together, and maybe we can make some farmers happy. Thank you very much, guys. Woohoo! It was a beautiful night, awesome night. You guys provided all the food for everybody. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks for coming. 3 o'clock in the morning.
You going? See you, mate. Have a good night.
Yeah, it was a good night. Did well. Hopefully do another one soon.
Yeah. Hey, here they are. How you going, guys?
Hey, what's happening, guys? So, you look like you need some food. You look like you're hungry.
You didn't order yet?
Not yet.
Neither have I.
Well, I've actually eaten, but all the schnitty that's floating around, I need to go have some.
Just been busy. Mark's already got stuck into it. Thank you very much for coming, Mark.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank you very much for having Easy Tens to sponsor this as well.
No worries.
We are grateful for that, and so will be the farmers.
Yeah, that's it's going all to a good cause. It's good. It's a really good cause. I need as much help as I can get.
That's it. Yeah, good shit. You can help the farmers at the same time.
I can't go wrong.
Put the phone down. That's it. Now look in the lens. Hey guys.
It's already recording.
Yeah.
Oh, when you're ready.
Hang on. Let me just see. Get us even.
No, you need to turn a bit.
Not you, mate.
Gotta set a control, mate. Your first control.
Alright.
I'm recording that. Choke on your own time. It's recording, I got all that.
Hey guys, welcome.
G'day guys. Here we are. We're down at the Aussie four-wheelers meet and greet.
On a fundraiser for the farmers. Relief. Hey guys, welcome to tonight's
Episode of Schnitty.
welcome. Hey
guys, welcome.
Hey guys, welcome.
Hey guys, welcome to the meet and greet. Hi guys. Oh, it's terrible. Get out of here. It's gone.